What it is, YouTube? It's your boy Trent the Trader checking in live from the lab with another quick video for y'all today. Today, I'm gonna keep it very sweet, very short, basic, and simple. And today, we're gonna be talking about support and resistance. I understand for those already, I've been learned that. I've been know how to do that. This video obviously ain't for you. We taking it all the way back for my beginners, people that really don't understand the markets yet. So if you're looking to get into trading, Forex, crypto, stocks, whatever the case may be, you must understand support or resistance, or some may call it zones. Either way, tomato, tomatoes. But you got to understand how to identify support and resistance. So without further ado, I'm going to take you guys on the chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I identify support and resistance when I'm trading. So let's go. Okay, so as you guys can see, the screen is completely blank. There's obviously no indicators on the screen whatsoever. So what I like to do is I like to start from the higher time frames. When we're doing our top-down analysis, you always want to start from the higher time frames and work your way down. I usually start with the weekly. You can start with the monthly. It's just your preference. So what I like to do is I start with my weekly chart, and I'm going to find a horizontal line, and I'm going to go all the way to the last close of a candle. So as you can see here, I want to get right where these candles open and close at. And then I'm also going to find the nearest quarter point as well. So let's just do 75, 142.675. As you can see, it's a little bit above, so let's do 50. And you want these to kind of be as accurate as possible, just because when you get on a lower time frame, sometimes these hit literally by the pip. So it's still too high. Let's just do 142.600, and that looks to be perfect. So 142.600, as we can see, we are directly on the close of these candles. We kind of want to get right on that red candle and green candle. So, and then we're also going to color coordinate it. So as you can see, red, I have red for basically myself to let me know that price is kind of high. So when price gets up here, look for price to kind of sell or drop. And then I'm also going to label this as my weekly resistance. I found this on my weekly chart. And we will also do that for your support. So support, I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to find the last support level, which will be here. And I'm going to also see if there's anything in the past that will confluence, will coincide with this level. So as we can see here, there's a lot of confluence right here on this level. So let me know that this is an important support level. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get right on the candle. Let's take this out. Trying to get as close to that candle as possible. So let's go with 25 as our nearest quarter point. If you guys don't know what quarter points are, please leave a comment and I'll explain to you what quarter points are and how they work. So it's still not there. Let's do 50. Still not there. Let's just do 125,500 even, because we're trading Forex, so we know that we're trading money. So all of this is money that we're looking at. And then we're also going to color coordinate it. We found this on the weekly, so we're going to put a weekly support, and then we're going to change it to green. So green lets me know that we're buying, red lets me know that we're selling, and then I also have my time frame weekly support so I can let myself know which time frame I found this on. And I'm going to do this also on the daily. So I usually like to find one weekly support, a weekly resistance, and then I'll drop down to my daily, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. So my daily, I'm going to look for my support levels. I have a support level here. As we can see, there's a support level. Price came down and then shot up. And then also, if we look in the past, we have a level here where this coincides. And then we also have a wick here that lets me know that this level here is somewhat important. And let's try to get it to the nearest quarter point. So let's just do, yeah, what, 180, 133.180. Let's do 175. Okay. All right, so it's still not there. Oh, too far. Okay, let's just do 100 even. Let's see if that meets right on the candle. Okay, 125. So it looks like it's a little bit below. Like I said, I like to have mines right on where that candle opens or closes. So that's pretty good. I'm also going to label this as a daily support. I found it on my daily time frame, and it's also support, so I also have it green. And then I'm also going to look for any type of resistance levels on my daily time frame. I really don't see any here just because our weekly support level is here. So if there is no daily, I don't really see any confluence. I mean, you could put one here, right here on this level. Let me delete this line, because this is somewhat of a resistance here, but it's too close to our weekly resistance. So in this case, I probably wouldn't put any daily resistance, just because our weekly resistance sits right here. So, and the last thing I'm gonna do is drop down to my 4 hour. I'm gonna do the same exact thing with my 4 hour. I'm gonna look for all of my levels on my 4 hour time frame. So I have a level here. And the reason why I'm putting it here is just because, as we can see, all of this confluence on this zone here. And then I'm going to change it to the nearest quarter point, which will be 137.250. Try to get right in the middle. I'm going to label this as a 4 hour zone. And I'm going to see if I can find any other ones. Like I see another one down here. Could possibly put one here, because we have a level here, this level here, and then all of this confluence in the past. And we're going to put this right at 135.200. And then we're going to label it as a 4 hour zone. The reason why I like to label it, like I said, once I get down to my lower time frames, my 1 hour or 30 or 15 minutes, once I'm near these zones, it'll let me know where I'm at on the higher time frames. So this is pretty much how I find all of my support and resistance. I start from my weekly and I dropped all the way down to my 4 hour zones. Now, like I said, this video is going to be very easy, quick, and smooth. One of the most important things you want to do is find your zones from your higher time frame, or find your levels on your higher time frame, work your way all the way down to the lower time frames. Like I said, you want to be right on your quarter points, the 25, the 50, the 75, or any type of whole numbers. Just because when you're on those lower time frames, price tends to hit these certain levels and then reverse, or hit these certain levels and then, yeah, I guess reverse, or even just break straight through. Sometimes price will break straight through these levels. So it's very important that you guys be precise on where you're finding your levels and zones. And keep in mind, these are just levels. However, these are zones. So price may come within 3, 4, 10 pips of these levels and then reverse. So sometimes it may not even hit it. So you have to just keep in the back of your head that these are all zones. Sometimes price won't hit these levels. They'll get very close to it, near it, and then it'll reverse or go in its direction that it was originally going to go. So like I said, this video wasn't meant to be long. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, if you felt like this video helped you, please give it a like or a thumbs up, whatever the case may be. Anything else that you guys want to know, like I said, we're going to be starting our way small, very beginner-ish basics, and then we're going to work our way to the advanced. So anything that you guys want to know, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section so I can make a video about it. Until next time, it's your boy Trent checking out, and I'll see you guys on the next video.